Have you ever heard of wholesaling in real estate? Wholesaling is the way to make money in real estate without actually buying a property. Yes, it's true, it's legit, it's accurate. Here's how it works. Wholesaling is when you find a distressed property, right? That are needed repairs or cosmetics repairs or, tear down, whatever the property needs repairs, right? And you negotiate that to a discounted price, right? And then you negotiate that contract with the homeowner to buy the property at that lower price, right? Then what you go and do once you have that contract, you then market that property to potential buyers or investors, hedge funds buyers, etc. Any type of buyer. Usually the traditional FHA, loan buyers don't work for this type of deal. You want investors, people with capital, with cash, ready to deploy into a deal. And then when the buyer's found, easily you sell that contract to them for a higher price than what you negotiated with your with the seller. So, real synopsis, real simple. One, find a distressed home, distressed property. You can do this by driving for dollars, on market listings, etc., etc. And I can make a video for how to find distressed properties here on my next one. And you go and negotiate that contract with the seller, right? Once you have it acquired and you go and deposit escrow and you have it locked up, go market that contract to an investor such as myself, right? And sell them that contract. Hey, here's 50,000. I need 50,000 to close this contract. But in reality, you got that contract at 10,000. So you make the spread. You make 40 grand, right? Just an example. You give the seller what they need, you take your cut, and then the seller pays, the rest. And so, real simple, this is how you do wholesaling in real estate in 2023. See ya.